everyone. Welcome to September Family Craft Night. We hope you already pick up your bag with the supply for the craft. If no, just please call us ahead to the adult services and ask to see if we had any supply left. In the back of the supply, you're gonna be having your pouch. We're gonna have 4 different designs. You're gonna have one of them. You're gonna have a packet of markers, and for the plain pouches you're gonna have like some of the iron-on stickers for decoration, or you can paint your own designs with your markers. Before we start coloring our pouch, I'm gonna give you a couple of tips. First, cut a piece of cardboard, put it in your pouch, that way it doesn't bleed the color to the other side. And the other thing, don't smash when you are painting. Be careful not to smash the paint. Let it sit a little bit to get dry, and then you can keep painting. Now let's start coloring. Here is your completed pouch. We hope you enjoyed your project, and we'll hope to see you next project.